Every database management system is unique in the fact that it comes with a set of terms unique to itself. MongoDB is no exception, and this video will walk you through the most important terms you need to be aware of when working with MongoDB. The first term that you will most likely encounter is the ID field. ID field is a field in every MongoDB document. This field must have a unique value, and it essentially acts as the primary key of a document. A document in MongoDB is a data structure that is composed of a field and value. Documents have document objects and reside in collections. A document object is an object, a record in relational database management system terms, that resides in a document that, in turn, resides in a collection. A collection in MongoDB is an equivalent to a table in any relational database management system. Collections are created with a create collection function available in MongoDB. Aggregation refers to an operation that processes and summarizes large quantities of documents in a collection by passing them through an aggregation pipeline. MongoDB comes with multiple aggregation functions. An aggregation pipeline consists of one or more stages to process documents. Sharding is a database concept that helps distribute data across multiple physical servers to improve the capacity of a given server. In MongoDB, sharding is implemented as horizontal scaling. Horizontal scaling or scaling out is a method of adding additional nodes to the database cluster to distribute its load across multiple data nodes. A replica set in MongoDB is a group of MongoDB processes that help keep a dataset highly available. MongoD refers to the primary MongoDB daemon process for MongoDB. Mongos is a shared cluster term referring to an instance that provides the interface between the client applications and the sharded cluster. Its name shouldn't be changed. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about MongoDB and other database management systems, and until next time.